Leslie, it's so good to have you back on the show, mate. I love your Asian inspiration recipes. What are we cooking today?
So today we are going to do a lovely stir fry.
Oh, and what do we need for that?
Spring onions.
Oh, let's find some. Oh, here you go.
Oh, we found it. Love it.
Excellent.
This beautiful spring onions.
Organic as well.
Yeah, good for free for my friend.
Excellent, let's go.
So this dish I want to do is a little bit more, not complex, it's like a different level, mix and match. It's quite nice. So
excellent. So
for the ingredients, I want to use one of the most lovely ingredients is spring onions. It's great products. And also today we've got it here in the market, very fresh.
Yeah, how good were they? They were lovely and sort of upright and sort of full of life.
Organic as well.
It's important.
And perfect. So we've got a mushroom here. You can use a dry mushroom or a fresh mushroom. I use both today. Ben, you may ask me why I use two different types of mushrooms. So actually the dry mushroom get more stronger in taste and fresh one and better in texture. So that's why today I try to make it mix and match.
Yeah,
that would be really good.
A bit of balance. So of course these mushrooms, there's a guy here called Damien Pike who is the fungi. He has such an array.
Yeah, remember him?
Such an array of mushrooms.
That's
and
great.
There's nothing he doesn't know about mushrooms in Australia.
And also for the Asian food or Chinese food about the coloring. So today I use different colors. So what I do, I use coloring. I use the red capsicum. So we got red, and we got yellow, we got green, and we got also got a mushroom. I've got a little celery. We got a chicken thigh. And also one thing you cannot miss is lee kam ki sauce. The sauce is really good. So today I use a soy sauce, but the good thing is gluten-free, so no problem.
So how do they make soy sauce gluten-free?
So they don't put the rich of flour in it to make it fermentation.
Yep.
But lee kam ki is very good for a very good fermentation product. That's why fermented and then really good taste and really good smell.
So wow, so gluten-free, we love that.
Yeah, gluten-free. Chicken, we need to marinate for about 30 minutes, so that will give a chicken better taste. And also the marinating, actually it's a tendernizing. Soy sauce here, a little bit of this lovely Shaoxing wine.
The cooking wine, the Shaoxing wine.
So Shaoxing wine is actually a Chinese white wine, so it could give a very better taste to the dish.
Not for drinking, just for cooking.
Only for cooking, that's it. Otherwise you get drunk and you do the cooking.
Can you get drunk from drinking rice wine?
Oh, you can if you drink too much. So don't be naughty, man. So you got
sugar
and oil, and last one is cornstarch. Cornstarch also today I use corn. I use the gluten-free as well.
Yep.
So cornstarch you can bind all the ingredients together. So also when you pan fry them, you got a crust.
It sticks to it. Yes,
also got a crust, a caramelization.
Yeah.
Lovely. Mix and match. Like you and me, man.
Yeah, mix and match.
Hong Kong boy, Hong Kong man.
Yin and yang.
Yin and yang. Perfect, mate. So the water hot. Yeah. Hot. Oil stay. So
little bit of hot.
Little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. So mushroom, I love the fresh spring mushroom. It's really good and tender. So I put it in the water, just clean it. It's
little bit at a time.
Yeah.
Ah, listen to that sizzle.
Sizzle. Remember the term of this one?
Singing. No, which one was it?
Sound of love.
Sound of love. That's it.
In your cooking. And also I got a little bit of the mushroom and also a capsicum.
When you were growing up, Leslie, what was the one dish your grandmother cooked to you that you loved the most?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Chicken. I love chicken. I remember when I finished the high school, and then you go home. You got my grandma prepared a lovely chicken leg, the marinade.
Oh, yum.
Perfect. I still remember. So now the capsicum already done, and now we do the mushroom. Okay?
Yes. I find cooking very relaxing.
Yeah. That's why. No panicking.
No panicking. Sometimes panicking.
And also we got a little bit of the dry mushroom. Put in the water already, so it gets soft and nice and tender.
Yum.
Oh.
And what sort of dried mushrooms are they, Leslie?
So this is a lovely shiitake mushroom.
Okay. So Leslie, the chicken looks magic.
Oh,
it's got a
amazing.
real. I love the way it's shiny and.
It's shiny and gauzy, and also full of flavor and taste as well.
Yum. Yes. Yes.
So now can you help me to put the capsicum first?
Capsicum.
Capsicum, and also that is the celery.
Oh, listen to that. The sound of love.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Sound of love.
Yeah, we love you, man.
I love you. So now, Chef, the mushroom.
Like rainbow in it is.
Yes, it is. It's what I love about Asian food, particularly Chinese food. It's the
Yes.
colour, the
Yeah.
knife work
Yeah.
as well, the fine
Yeah.
cut stuff.
Can you put the chicken back in?
Chicken back in.
Yeah. Lovely.
Wow, look at
And
that.
then we need some spring onions.
The chopped big ones.
Yeah, chop it one and toast it well.
I can just see everyone at home is looking at this and going,
Yeah, okay,
oh
good.
my God, this is so tasty.
A little bit of sesame oil
Sesame oil, yep.
and also likamki gluten-free soy sauce and sugar. So sugar is a good balance in taste.
Yes.
And last one, I add cornstarch and also the water in it. So that will help the dish and bind together, like making more sauce.
Yeah, like glutinous
Yeah,
and
yes.
juicy, and
Put
it
it-
has a luscious shininess to it.
So can you help me to put it in and keep toasting?
You're gonna keep me,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this?
Otherwise, if you don't toast well, they will stay and become lumpy.
Ah, yes.
Oh, look at that. Good. Look at that color.
Oh, wow, and it gets all lovely and
Yeah,
shiny, there's a bit
nice.
more heat in there.
And sometimes, for example, you want more color as well, you can put more chili, everything inside.
Oh, and there's no chili in this, we could put chili in, couldn't we?
I got it here.
Ah, perfect, let me chop.
Here we go. You can do it. Come on, you can do it, Ben. Oh, look at that. Asian chef. Ben is Asian chef now. Can I call you now? Ben Chang.
Ben Chang.
Good on
Yes,
you.
that's me, I don't
Good
mind
on
that
you.
name.
Good on you, my friend. Can you
Yeah,
put-
ready?
Oh, look at that.
I can't wait to eat this.
Always start in the middle.
Yep.
Put in the middle and then beer up.
And Leslie, what would you serve this with?
So this is perfect when you serve the noodles or rice. Have a taste. Oh, nice, delicious.
It is, and the flavour of the, oh, there's good chili in that now.
Yeah, you
And
get
the mushroom flavours coated the chicken.
you feel the heat, right?
Yeah.
And also you can see this is got a little bit meat, also got a sauce on the side.
Yep.
And then you can dip with this thing. Then now we can put some chili on the top. And also you can put some fresh sesame oil
Yes.
just on the top. Diesel.
Just like you would use extra virgin
Yeah.
olive oil in Italian
Yes,
food,
same
you
thing.
use.
And also you can put the sauce here, it got a little better color.
Yes.
So you put this one over here and a little bit garnish of the coriander. Coriander is great product, a great ingredients. And also, Ben, last thing, I know you come far away from Brisbane, so I won't give you a flour, but today, sorry, I don't have money. I give you lovely spring onions. as a
Oh, is
flour.
it for me?
Yeah, for you. And put
it on the dish.
This is for you.
Oh,
So
that's
this
a-
one you make from the band.
Oh, it's a beautiful garnish. Look at that.
Look at that.
There we have it.
There we go.
That is
Our lovely chicken with lovely cooking.
It's
For Ben Chang.
Ben Chang and Leslie Chang. We're brothers now in the kitchen. Asian inspiration, rainbow chicken.